Hey guys, welcome. Well, here's a bit of an update of how I'm doing with the funded accounts, and today this video is going to be a little bit special, maybe the first of many more to come. It's going to be a short tour on Budapest as well, so stick with me. But first, let me update you guys on what's happening with the trading accounts, the funded accounts, what are my plans, and how I'm doing right now with everything. So, unfortunately, I'm going with the bad news. I had a MyFundedFutures funded account that is unfortunately blown up this week, but I don't really want to talk about it too much. I'm still left. I mean, I'm definitely working on a new one, so hopefully I will make it in the next upcoming week. But I have several funded accounts with other prop firms as well. So I decided to take the weekly recap videos from now on a regular basis and update you guys on the funded accounts. My goal is actually, the first step is to reach at least $1,000 in payout. I know it's not much for many of you guys. For me, it should be a stepping stone, especially after the first quarter. That was very bad for me. I blown several accounts. Everything was pretty much messed up, and my first step is at least $1,000 payout from one of these funded accounts. Now, the thing I'm willing to share is at least 2 or 3 funded accounts. It may be from Bulenox, Apex, MyFundedFutures, whatever, but there's going to be updates from now on every week. And ultimately, I decided that at the second half of the year, I want to make at least $4,000 or $5,000 on a monthly basis on average from only taking profits from these funded accounts. Now, currently, I have still 7 funded accounts. I'm going to show you all of those on stream if you join me. And I'm not going to copy trade them all, but I was dealing with some emotional stuff in the past few weeks, some family issues, also some, let's just say, financial issues that I had to deal with that still haunting me from the past, and it's really messed up my trading. Anyway, here's the point where I would like to thank everyone who was using my code and the affiliate links, and huge appreciation for everyone. You guys, without you guys, I could not make it. I won't be able, I couldn't do it, because without those affiliate commissions, I would not be able to continue streaming full-time, because I'm doing this full-time since last month. And without going into details, thanks to you guys, I made enough that I can afford to be here full-time and to go for the goals, reach for the goals. Very grateful, and I'm gonna do my best and stay humble to this situation, because I know it's a privilege that I can work from my comfort, from the comfort of my home and my office, and I'm really grateful, okay? So, the plan, as I said, is to reach a payout in at least 60 days, which should be at least minimum $1,000. But in the second half of the year, it could be September, October, November, who knows. We should be getting to a month of $4,000 to $5,000 under 30 days, okay? With that being said, we decided to go for a short tour to Budapest, look around a few places. It's nothing fancy. This is going to be technically my first ever vlog video, so sorry about the editing, but check it out, drop a like, and guys, subscribe, and the usual stuff. All right, check out the video. We decided to come to do some shopping, and we're in a beautiful plaza. We're at beautiful plaza downtown in Budapest. I mean, it's not really downtown, but who cares, right? Actually, this is a brand new plaza, and they say they have some artificial intelligence that knows the future. So we're gonna search for it. Jesus, holy Christ, we're so high. I'm afraid I'm gonna... Yay. All right, anyway. I like the view. This is almost a new place here, and the sun goes down, and actually we're almost persuaded ourselves to watch a movie in the cinema. It's a brand new cinema here. Anyway, let's go shopping. So guys, one of the best things on the weekend, if you go shopping and, you know, recharge your batteries, and especially when you're not alone, right? That's the best thing. And since we're killing the markets, we're gonna throw some money away. Oh no, actually not. But let's continue to look around. Hello there. How you doing? All right, guys. So this is the time to ask the Jesus Christ. I know this happened. So we're gonna ask the artificial intelligence what is the market going to be next week. So is the Nasdaq going to go up or down? Tell me something. Yeah, this happens. All right, that's it, guys. All right, here's how the sun goes down in Budapest. This is the river Danube, and this is not maybe the best view for the place, but I'm gonna try to go for the parliament. And up there you see a Hungarian statue. Well, it's called the Statue of Liberty actually, but the sun is beautiful right now, and actually we're gonna take a walk right here. Anyway, to be continued. I just realized that there's a cool mini golf course up here on the boat. Look at that. How awesome is that? Guys, next time we should do a video from there, right? By the way, we just walked up to the bridge. You can still see the sun go down. Unfortunately, I might not be able to walk all the way to the parliament from here, but we're at almost the center, and we still didn't decide what to do here. I mean, definitely gonna go forward, but it's gonna be nighttime. Anyway, to be continued. Okay guys, so right now we are at the famous East Station. Actually, a lot of movies have been made here, including Mission Impossible and I don't know, but a few. So let me show you some great sights around here, because actually it's worth a look at. So this whole building has been renovated, and it's just huge. I didn't make it to the parliament, so why not here? So many Hollywood movies are made here. And let me show you the train station itself. This is how it looks. Real famous. Again, in some movies. All right. So, just another place we stopped by. Oh yeah, it's classic. All right, let's go look around downstairs. Hey, look at who's with me. Hello. I look awful, actually, but she looks pretty. Okay, so I have no idea where we are. I have never been here before since it has been renovated, but you know, it's just a city tour. Wow. Okay, continue. You know, what I wanted to tell you guys is that sometimes we do need to take a break, especially from trading, and the last couple of days and weeks was especially, it was hard. So if you have the weekends, you gotta go out and enjoy life, you know, just go take a walk, you know, jump into the car, look around, do some stuff, whatever. But just don't stay at home. You have to recharge the batteries, right? It's not all about trading. It's a mental game. Sorry for jumping in like this, but unfortunately I was, I deleted the last piece of video where I said hello to everyone, but still, it was a great weekend. We enjoyed it very much, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. I would also like to hear your comments, and here's one more surprise video for the end. All right, see you guys on the live streams. Cheers.